Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set up a GitHub webhook step by step. First, log in to GitHub account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the repository where you want to add the webhook. You can find it in your recent repositories list or use the search bar. Next, go to the settings menu on the right-hand side of your repository. In the left sidebar, click Webhooks to open the webhook management page. Click the Add Webhook button to create a new webhook. Here, enter the payload URL. This is where GitHub will send post requests whenever an event occurs in your repository. Make sure the URL is publicly accessible. Choose the content type. The default JSON option works for most cases. Then select the trigger events. For example, you can choose just the push event or pick multiple events depending on your needs. Finally, scroll down and click Add Webhook. Your webhook is now active and you can test it to ensure it receives payloads correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a GitHub webhook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.